Maame Serwaa na Ghana man TD. God bless our homeland.
Hey God.
Me my options. Ye na ya assassin. I promise on my honor. Imbako. Ofu ba kwa na mafa ba.
Hey God.
Yimbako na me yimbako.
Okay. Hey.
Maame Serwaa no see ya ye befa President Mahama. Ye nyina mbenya ye me so go mbenya menya hwe gyinam. Yimu bako. Yidi wakoma payment for so. Ye na ya assassin. I promise on my honor and God bless our homeland. Miensa.
Okay.
Manumbre Mike no mu se wana kasa.
I promise on my honor.
Resatu your kokoso.
I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself.
They will be here. No apo.
Oh, acha me.
Ene Ghana man tinya hwe. Kai de okane sa nya hwe.
God. Oh.
On your mats, ready go pay?
Yes, that is them.
I promise on my honor.
I promise on my honor to be faithful and loyal to Ghana, my motherland. I pledge myself to
the service of Ghana.
To the service of Ghana with all my heart and with all my strength. Oh, me
no, I went to me feet.
Oh,
and God bless our homeland.
Oh, that be me pay way.
May God bless our homeland. Maame Serwaa. Oh, chance. Oh, time upon.
Oh, empower change.
God bless my homeland, Ghana. Let's go.
Yantu.
God bless our homeland, Ghana, and make our nation great and strong, bold to defend forever the cause of freedom and of right. Fill our hearts with true humility, make us cherished, fearless honesty, and help us to resist oppressors through it all out and
forevermore.
You turn one way. After you turn one way, oh, they may turn one way. Oh, Maame Serwaa one turn and a tway. Redeem yourself. I tell for Montana, no be an you so. Redeem yourself. Let's go. Nyagro, Yanko. Ya 12 one ya. Let's go.
Yeah.
Man instrumental or more instrumental. God bless our homeland instrumental.
Oh yeah.
Oh my beat. Munina more.
Welcome to me no yeah.
Oh, and over to a young man. General ya
chi version de nyade.
Oh nyade.
Yeah.
And a two no.
Pacho mumbre mi so answer. Mumbre mi so. And not your person, Mama said, Mumbre Museum, Pacho. Yeah.
Maame Serwaa beto God bless our homeland.
Oh, yeah.
I promise on my honor, no ya ntini intino. Obi ye na ye de dwumade na si.
Hey, what's what? Both to defend forever the cost of freedom and of rights. Fill our hearts with true humility, make a cherish, fearless honesty, and help us to resist oppressors and minds forevermore. And help us to resist oppressors will and mine forevermore.
Hip 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 hip, hooray! Ghana at 68. Say the Ghana who feel so Ghanaian. Are you proud to be a Ghanaian?
I'm very, very proud.
Yeah. What was your baby? Who bet you see Ghana as your motherland?
Oh yeah, not really.
Okay, 50-50.
50-50 because it won't say Ghana there. You should be proud to be a Ghanaian. But if there is more to it, why not? I'll pick it up and take that opportunity.
Your more options, your more Ghana A, US B, UK C. However, no one you see choose you. One can choose you. You made the over
USA.
Straight up and down.
Because I feel like Oma build your country. I don't know what they do. Maybe some sure they need more, but. If say Yanso ye contributing, as I said, we can also be more. Say that you be by your corner, say the corner siwa, or be betting your cassette, me choose Ghana because Ghana, me who dear Ghana is it here any day in room one as me pay. But it shouldn't be an option now. Option never buy say no, yeah, the Ghana sinching because there is more to do. So yeah,
it makes sense. It makes a lot of sense. It's that you be a woman. Say they will see church will say about more Ghana and about more USA.
That's it. So that's it. Not say Ghana. I get dear me chim on me per se yeah. Why not?
Is it that you say be a young drew yet dear? The second option.
I am fair cousin. Say
and can say we are imagination games.
Say obe work about you has no over ready. It's better said yeah, I'll choose the beer or air comfortable.
I get it. Back to school. School course and school and acting. Because that's how we break account from acting.
Oh yes. All my life, no say SHS and EJHS now me combine school with education. School with
acting.
Yes. And see me to me who see what say tertiary I'll focus on the education more. Now me experience in you kaka because say me say combine school with a jumana. I better say that na said na me
no experience in
yes. And enough for addition enough for
how
oh and for say you better say oh university oh wetin ya dey pay life no e da ho ba entisa
omo wa
entisa
all be lie
entisa
ade
oh say me lectures am form seminar you can't say we person fee to say be a day o say o na dey me nko e be a we betimi atum the whole week
na call regular
yes
Monday to Friday
yes yet me see about evening yes nti waso be hye and we be console and penny 40 class e bi mo abobra ti ase e bi mo big companies na se fonzi wo betiada ono na ono wa ye ni sika wanya ni bibia we creba school so how much more so and so motivating me say you know what I need to like fetch for more and me
not settle for less.
It's be meaning say enya hanko na me besi. I'll also do my masters too. But for now, me say me back into the scenes na eja me call for afi me kaka.
Papa you won watch ya film. You say do my gym steez. Me say Maame Serwaa ya magician ya magic ni tutu fa wiem. You say the gym.
Oh, Arabia ni different
oh, Debbie. You be say o back na o chamte na o jira na o ba. You say no Maame Serwaa say my sister say the gym ko
o say o yeah juma na o show o health isusu ye. Ebi mo dwe say gym na me kone for fashion issue like
for videos
social media. No. That gym na 5 years ago. And that for omo ma follow me a chin nim say enye na me sha say. So ayana sometimes I even post just to motivate others because sankofo ya na ye na Maame Serwaa na waye kese na waye say no waye say. So I felt like you know what ekofo be kan sem bone ne wo ho ebe ye onya but na wo fa futu so and only a futu me fa me say you know what them go bash you but kakra na e wo no fa na fa efa kan wo ho na je bibi fa ho
first no omo kan ma na get it to you but you say that I say
oh no Cecilia no the worst has happened so I feel like it's life
then I was
oh concerning me my comments and all that so I feel like Ajima we am fatuna so why should I have an issue with it even though you have a family these family members will also think that yeah can want to pray so I feel like sometimes you know I say be am call for be a woman so be free say e be a dey for channel outside na pray apart from no I feel like be for be can be no make sure say because Ajima we am fatuna so and if says me yeah emu de beba emu so ya beba just take it like that
and someone go for kafa obi approach you can personally to you that
oh me share obi a o se on pema se na busan say dem o se o she movie bi na me na so on say enfa character na me play no enka say that's how I am get to know me experience me and say it's okay I've experienced you and this is how you are me piana say me so sometimes you know who wants why you will be at some or what's it and you want to farm people. That's one thing I mistake our Ghanaians and some Ghanaians we don't get to meet the people, experience them before we pass comments or judgments. The Ekofua can and I ever It's not me na for some because only adam phone number ba. Say okojina o baby kan ho ase. And I'm so no nti on beji. So yeah, I will tell people say they should get to know me, experience me before they pass judgment.
They pass judgment. Let me know being candy. Get to know me before you say any word. That is from Maame Serwaa. Yes, we are back to the scenes. As you say, we are two production team. To say solid. They say, oh, commander, cameraman, DOP, hey, Charlie.
May you
oh, now, they go 5% to the amount. When up in our movie, nothing, and now person that she be our producer. And after so we investing.
Okay, me nama menya that idea because I felt like even though me actress me but I want to experience more. Say if be a director yen juma say I want to experience that. Producer say na producer I want to also experience that. So I felt like you know what me money is I should fetch for more. I should search for more. And me was school me now. That's the idea I had. See me school na me management and so I want to bring my own production and also audition for young talent.
Ish. We are playing.
Uncle for talent. But on say Uncle phone to me and run because of the omati. Any a movie a show me.
I almost say.
O se Uncle for be team baby say oh. You see, I never man and dance on your mama and a print. So, what in the baby remote so say, and sister, maybe time not a producer's in penny for. Say, this one now, oh, my no. What I say, Tibia was advantage in I saw my baby, my better say, pounds and come a ban, but Tibia, Papa, no ban. Only be a godmother be our set and also, or no, so say, the more we are desperate for something, the more you do anything for the thing. So what I say? Yeah, me and I make an offer almost so much and I me for myself. Now only a producer I don't know what is going on right now. Me producers are back into the scene now. Yes, but me offer me for myself the likes of Miracle Films, Jones Ajeman, Jackson Cable and two. They will never tell you say let's exchange sex for rules. It's never happened like that. I feel like this is the time we need to prove to people say it's not like that. Come, what talent in Mkwandia? Why not? We can use that talent for you to also be the likes of Nana Mama Emilia Bobe, Maame Serwaa. So yes, that's what I see me many so.
She say now you open for international roles. She say Hollywood, Niger would and everything.
Nollywood.
Germany. American Niger. I gonna meet I grow 6 months prank. It's a prank. Are you open for deals like that?
Oh yes. International, I'm working hard towards that because say you need to also be out there, work for it. You can't sit in the house and feel like, oh, I won't do anything. I'll just relax and let people call me or ask for. No, it's not going to happen like that. And Nigeria for Bebre, the movies are so Apple, Netflix and all that. They are still working because they want to like bypass that Netflix stuff and also be in the like international movies, be acting with these international celebrities and all that. And see, and you need to keep on going. And see, I feel like it starts from my side. I need to put in work, start producing, and and she said, only will be this and say, oh, I want you to cast me in this movie of yours. But when you say, okay, what are some of the movies you've done? What are some of the movies you've produced? And yes, I would West Kogu, don't say one as I own small fish. You are a big one. So you won't downplay yourself. You're going in with a big offer.
Exactly. They say skits. And the phone so then you won't be
yes. So say an after mobile and I would like to say I'm open to like collaborating or doing anything with them. For now, no anything. I'll say I'm ready to do anything with anybody, whether companies or mobile with brand ambassadorial deals and all that. I'm just in.
You are fully back.
I'm fully back and ready.
And ready. Say international, say local, whatever the deals are, she's open for all. What the young to account kakana? Say the actor can talk kaka. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm almost in the but only passion for song.
Oh, I love music, but say me and Kasami co stage. Nah, I don't feel like.
No be trauma feel or studio say be record there.
Or say ghost writers their models, but I feel like you have to have that passion before you can like say. It's not meet me. Like I said, a lot of musicians in Ghana here, obi they hit song back who mean bana were fading because obi on share any passion, but I see a pressure and say, oh, it be our voice, it be our swag, our vibe, ninety remua, will obi remo right. But our passion for something and you'll be kind of bad for so saying you will go for it.
One important question from your loved ones. Almost they say, what should we expect? Lessons learned
concerning like
concerning movie.
And no make us say lesson of Messiah our life just be good to people. You don't know what the person is going through at that moment. You passing bad comments, ugly comments for that person at that moment. If you are Ghana having cases be said, Obi wants them to the stand it can happen. Embroider so. NCN say intimacy. Celebrities, they are also humans. Yenina ya ko ne yakoda nyumra ebi musu ebi mu di areho obu okra na ontimi nka na asem nche ni panti omene enti so nam hokra na hu se bibi ha no ontimi nka nche ni pa enti za oba no we twa picture no dey abeto social media no sir I don't think say it's all roses like everything is okay. No, it's not like that. Just be good to people until one offer so until usika sense wukra wo ye papa na wo ka asem papa kra che ni panokra no ebema wukra we feeling okay say today I've fulfilled something good, like I've done something for someone and yes she mommy but baby be papa man. So just be good to people, just be good.
And some of the comments are for a person, they are better comments,
very 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 better.
So when you'll be emotionally stronger, it can get you to do the worst to yourself.
Yes.
What do you want Sada? Personally,
yeah, personally, but also dream one no certain answer. If I no pass me comment your call. I call on papa cram I say I reply car and I so be reply. You doing harm to yourself is going to worry you. Because sometimes meeting like I said before say me Maame free I had these thoughts it was bad. And then me one say auntie me para me that kind of thought say I wanted to do something harmful to myself. No, yeah. People were accusing me of all these things. I feel like, you know what, let me just end it all. And then me see hey, me dream one me say, auntie, me no man can make kwakwa sad me. E be an your papa be about my life moon. I will regret it. So I feel like, you know what, I will make sure say they will be back to the extent say I will go and do something harmful to myself or even hurt people around me just because I'm in a bad mood because of their can be born your family. No.
Yeah, I will block you my own person.
Oh, me block you. I want you to see what is coming next. Me block you. No. Say we buy me page na so we be hu nyoma boni ntina we say we na see we be hu nyoma boni ntina we comment say and see watch out for more. Maybe it's going to be even worse or maybe me glory no say no so be hu me gloria open show congrats because Ghana for Ankasa in particular some of them they like bad news more than good news. Obi betimi ama wo obi betimi ache oka enye campo say obi beche obetimi atowa wo ka obi ko comment ni congrats e won kra no endu be 20 something bad here Magos blogger Bimbeka say, "Hey, you see, assume see animo about the see. When you post your picture now, who comment me?
They said you are pregnant. Is it true?
And so I'm for picture who baby. Yes, Sana Ghana Fulity. We should stop doing that. As I said, you don't know what the person is going through.
If it's lies, but to see an opanema of femuno, too much.
Say I am a crescent and you don't know. And I'm so be a pretty on own account say me mumba, but obia send your name as it's your kind and now swaged. Yes, you on your biku and nature. Or yes, you on a member so no. Just find out for yourself. Experience the person.
Experience the person. Say the worker goes to the accountant, so really goes to the accountant at account.
Oh, next thing I can say almost every celebrity in Ghana obi a komubi. Enya me obi a komubi. Obetimi a cho bibi afa ho. Obi okra na enye se wati bibi ana se wa finding out bibi. Obi wo ho a ye boarding papa no. Obi say no say die nkwa na e wa ne ho amu bo ni di papa. Die nkwa. E dia me so ma me nkope bibi e bone na me so me fa me so na me nda musronko say more praising and media ni. And nipa so kofa bad, they will believe because they feel say, oh nipa so mesi e boni di papa too much. E de nipa so mesi kasa ye boni na de. So they will just go and believe it.
Just to tarnish your image.
Just to do it. Obi so see so. Me see so and I'm starting adwuma we na social media but na eni wo say e promote adwuma. So me starting yen. So why do you have to take just 1 minute to destroy what I've built for so many years? Why? And you feel proud.
And the Hano was my Adam 9 is you. But we never call you. You mean about one you? No one or that no sir.
Yes.
Or Jawatete.
Oh, a video be born here and what's Mr. like me.
What I say? Yes, singing now about Yanji. Maame Serwaa nya act like how be dey.
You know papa say me nya doctor.
Oh.
Oh, that be on the next.
Doctor Serwaa never know. Yeah.
Oh, maybe show moja. Ti no dey.
Maybe so ka ya ka say me ka usru. Ka used to.
Yes, more. Yes, Nyankopon de me to ha.
Oh. No crapa. But personally I ka say papa say o person doctor na person dey yan kasa.
Oh, me akasa dey. Me na school ni wo mani so and me wie school na ka enye atina na ka pese me wra immigration.
Kaish. Officer why? Officer lemba. Se me ga nya da ju, se me ga ji da park no so. A wu twa ho de. I may choose so good so.
Oh yes.
How come much fast?
Uncle for juma like I will say Obia or ye juma will gonna have me enough for Obia bona humudi. Say oh yeah why you say you want to give up? You are so tired that please don't give up. Was me a here. Me think immigration and person me but man still na me who Uncle for walk into that field. No many aji. Because I feel like they are doing what I was supposed to do. What you are saying? Say wosun dey yo. Obi tika na AC born corner. Don't give up. Say this person is so lucky to the extent say you are suffering and no. Obi su benya no. Na ko feel say say ka bibi wrong and one can go for omujina kon. I can pick them up and like help them. So don't think say I say cry. Things can also change for you in a minute. Be able to me assist. Be ready. Just believe, have faith, and you get wherever God has planned for you to get to.